Hi guys! So during our today's class I want to show you how to create a watercolor floral frame, and I'll show you some magic tricks how to do that. So first of all we will start with a sketch and we will grab a brush from the sketches. We go to the canvas and after turn on drawing guide, and after that edit drawing guide, and I'm gonna go to symmetry. After I need to press options, and you might be sure that assisted drawing is turned on. And once again, as you see, if I draw here, so same we have from the opposite side, and I think it's very convenient. We'll go and grab a brush, and that will be my Blue True watercolor brush, one of my favorites. Let's make it slightly lighter, and as you see, if we draw from this side, the rest we also have same from the opposite side. After that we go and grab huge blender watercolor, increase the size and just blend it. Yeah. Grab my Boo Sharp watercolor brush, and let's keep adding lines. So this side I think I want to make it more in orange style. So and about blender, I'm gonna go and grab my Boo Simple Blender watercolor and blend it gently. So now I'm gonna go and add some shades to this side, to the bottom of our flower. I'll go to reddish color, and guys, you have options. You can use this brush, or for example we can go and grab, for example, like some of my other ones, and I want to try put textured watercolor brush, and in this way I will make it even darker because I want to show these edges. Yeah, it's perfect. After you can blend it, because I don't want to make it too dark. After that we have rose here to draw them, and I'm gonna go and draw them let it be blue color, so blue rose. And in this way we will go and grab my first of all wood textured brush. I want to keep it soft, very light. Like later I will add some details, but as a base I will use this brush. As you might see, when we choose our Boo Soft Edges watercolor, and I added some purple color. It's very beautiful because it can help you to create this blending effect. You see that it's very soft. So and the last detail is I'm gonna go and grab my Boo small watercolor brush, and I want to add some details. And blender. Okay, great. And I will grab my Boo True watercolor brush. And let's keep adding colors. Okay, great. And for the straw, I'm gonna go and use my Boo Sharp blender, or Boo Sharp brush, not blender. Here. I'm gonna go and grab my Boo Sharp Blender watercolor brush, because as I told you, this brush is good for mixing colors. But you need to get adjusted to that. And as you see, it's very beautiful. You also can grab some of the roses, like some colors, and also mix that right together. For those berries we will use other blender. And we'll use my BooSimple Blender watercolor. And you see it's very easy. Same blender as we used before. But don't forget about the straw, and for that we will use BooStudio blender. And I'm gonna grow and grab brown color. Also, what we can do with the theme is we can go and choose freehand, and after that, for example, feather, and I want to add some shades like this. Same I'll do here. And now I want to highlight some parts, and this way to make it like this. Okay, feather. Use saturation and brightness, and I want to lighten some areas like I did right now. For these flowers I want to grab my Blue Textured watercolor brush, because I want to keep it really very transparent. So you'll turn off our assisted layer. So you need to choose a selection tool, move to automatic, move it slightly like this, would be fine. Feather, maybe 2% is fine. Hue, saturation and brightness. And as you might see, like the edges of your painting will be selected. And after that, drawing guide turned off.